Ooh.
So we come here. This is Discover Green, right? Can you say something? Hey. Say something.
Oh, hi.
What do you say?
I was trying to tame its... This is boring.
For Discover Green Center. Yeah, a lot of pumpkin. So every year they have this event, right?
No.
There's a lot of trust there.
Oh my god, it's such a quick country. Let's try stepping with the pumpkin like that. Okay. Oh my god. I already stepped like on 800 pumpkins. I'm being honest, I already did. I have a question.
But
Did they just start this event like they just put the pumpkins in?
yeah, they just arrange it. Maybe a few more days, more pumpkin, and they collect the trash, cut the grass. See, it's perfect. Our plants.
There's a scrap of my top.
Yes, it's so dry.
After Kelly, you want the zipline one? This is boring. Swing. Let's go take a picture over there now.
Oh, you remember that table?
Oh yeah. Cartwheels.
Can't be and we sit down there, read books.
Oh yeah, and I didn't want to read.
Yeah.